Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you are all fine and good. Welcome to you all in my channel. Before we going to start today video, I just want to ask you people kindly subscribe this channel, also like this video and share this video with your other friends. Okay, so today we have to discuss in this video about the divisibility. We have to discuss this different test of divisibility. So the first thing that we have discussed about this topic is divisible by or you can what is the meaning of divisible. Okay, we have to discuss the meaning of divisible, and in this slide I show you the meaning of divisible. If you divide one number by another, the result is whole number without a remainder. Okay, this is called the divisible by. Okay, if you divide one number, you suppose any number in your mind, let's suppose 8 in your mind. If you divide one number means 8, by another number, we divide 8 into 2. The result is a whole number, means when we divide 8 into 2, we get the answer 4. Now 4 is a whole number without any remainder. If we talk about 8 and 2, so 2 fours are 8 and we don't even have a remainder. So this is a 2, 8 is divisible by 2. Okay, here you can see the example. Here I put the example in front of you. 12 divided by 6. When we divide 12 into 6, 6 twos are 12. We know that no remainder. 15 divided 5, 5 threes are 15. No remainder. Okay. Same like this. Here we having the divisibility by 2. Okay. And this is the first and I just you get simplest, first and easiest. Okay. And even a very interesting test of divisibility by 2. So divisibility by 2. A number can be divisible by 2 if yes, if the last digit is even. If the last digit of the number is even, means 202 468. So it means the whole number is divisible by 2. If I said now, tell me 786 is divisible by 2, you just see the last number 6. 6 is divisible by 2. 6 is even number. That's why the whole number is divisible by 2. Okay? So a number can be divisible by 2 if the last digit is even 02468. Here I put the example. You can see the example in front of you. And the example is here. Here is another way to find out कि number is divisible by 2 or not. So another way is this कि you can see the number here 6798512. Okay, this is a number given number. You add all the digit of that number. If any number given to you, you have to add all the digit of the given number. When we add all the digit of the given number, you can see the last we get the 38, and the 38 means the last digit of this number is 8. 8 is the even number, so that's why. So the whole number is divisible by 2. The whole number is divisible by 2. You can even see the last digit and you say "Okay, this is divisible by 2 or not." Okay, if you have a well knowledge about the even number, then you can easily find out this. Okay, okay, now I just ask you people, now you try, which number is not divisible by 2? 572, 1464, 249. Okay, which number is not divisible by 2? I give you just 1 to 2 seconds. Yes. Yes, you can see the last third number is not divisible by 2. Why? Because in last digit we are having the 9, and 9 is not a even number. Okay. So, okay, we have to move the next test, and next test is here divisibility by 3. Now we have to check which number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is 3, 6, or 9. Okay, the sum of the digit, it means you have to add all the digits of the given number, and result will be 3, 6, or 9. Then you say this number is divisible by 3. Otherwise, you don't just say this is not divisible by 3. So here is the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have to add all the digits. When we add all the digits, we get the answer 21. And you have add this number again. When we add 2 plus 1, we get the answer 3, which is the divisible by 3. Yes, na? Or other hand, you just say कि, the sum of the digit is multiple of 3. Yes, multiple of 3. Then the number is also divisible by 3. Okay, now I just ask you people. Now you try which number is not divisible by 3. Again, I give you 3 to 4 seconds. Even I give you 15 seconds to do this. Which number is not divisible by 3? All of you use your mind to do this. I think this is a very interesting concept. If you do this practice with me, then inshallah after this video you have a clear concept about the divisibility test. I am 100% sure about this. Yes, if we add the first digit, we get the answer 14. Okay, you get when we you add this number and 14 when we add the both numbers, we get the answer 5. This is not divisible by 3. The first number is not divisible by 3. Rest of both is divisible by 3. The first one is not divisible by 3. Okay. So now we have to discuss about the divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 5 or 0. Okay. Any number, any given number, you just check the last digit. If the last digit is 0 or 5, that's mean your number is the given number is divisible by 5. So here is the example 749230. 749230. So first we add all the digits. When we add all the digits, we get the answer 25. Okay. When we add all the digits, we get the answer 25. So you say कि you check कि बच्चे last digit is 5, so it's mean कि this whole number is divisible by 5. And the other hand, you just see the last digit, the given number have the last digit is 0, so you no need to solve this. You just say कि last digit is 0, so that's why the whole number is divisible by 5. Again, repeat the definition of this. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is a 5 or 0. Okay, now you try. It's your turn to try this. Which number is not divisible by 5? I think this is the easiest one. You just uh, tell the answer in 1 second. Okay. Yes, the second one is not divisible by 5 because the last digit is 9. Yes, na? 779, na? So that's why this number is not divisible by 5. Okay, we have to move to the next test. And now we have to discuss about the divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digit will added to 9. Okay, the sum of all the digit will add it to 9. It's mean the multiples of 9. If we add all the given if we add if we add all the digit of the given number, the answer should be 9 or the multiples of 9. Okay, you can see 50832. Okay, so 50832 equals to 18. 50832 equals to 18, and 18 is a multiple of 9. That's why you said just say ki this number is a divisible by 9. Otherwise you have to add 1 plus 8 and answer is 9, which means ke this number is divisible by 9. Okay, now it's your try. Find out the number that is not divisible by 9. You just add the numbers. Yes, when you add the numbers, so then you get the sum is equals to 9. If the sum is equals to 9, it's mean the number given number is divisible by 9, otherwise not. So here I just put the three numbers. If your speed is slow, you have to stop the video. You have to pause the video and solve this question. Okay, when you have to solve this question, you find the second one is not divisible by 9. Okay, because 6 3 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 again. When we add 1 plus 5, we get the answer 6. That is not divisible by 9. Okay, now divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if when the last digit is 0. Okay, you have to remember, if the last digit is 0 and 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. But only the last digit is 0, it means the number is divisible by 10. And any number is divisible by, you can see, if the last digit is 0, it's divisible by 2, it's divisible by 5, and it's divisible by 10 also. Okay, so here is the example: 508 322. Okay, and when we have to add all these digits, we get the answer 20, and the 20 is the divisible by 10, because the last digit is the divisible by 10. 0 is the divisible by 10. So now it's your turn to solve this. Yes, find the number that is not divisible by 10. Yes, I think you give me the answer in a second. Yes, the second number is not divisible by 10, because the both up and low, both number are having the last digit is 0. Okay. So I just you just say कि I summarized my whole lesson in one slide. कि if I write down the number 1825 and say कि you check divisibility by 2, 5 and 10. So 5 now last digit is 5, it means the number is divisible by 5. 6 is even, so it's divisible by 2. 0. 0 is even, and as we know that if the last digit is 0 and 5, divisible by 5. If the last digit is 0, divisible by 10. So you have to put the smileys in all boxes, because 5 10 is divisible by all digits, 2 5 and 10. Okay, the last one, 8 is the even number, that's why 8 is this number is divisible by 2. Okay, now I just give you a task. If you want, you just pause this video for a few seconds and solve it. You have to check about divisibility by 9, divisibility by 3. Have this number is divisible by 3 or not? Divisibility by 10, divisibility by 2, and the last one is divisibility by 5. Today in this video we have to discuss about the 5 divisibility test. Okay, if you want to ask any other, you can ask me in your comment section. I will tell you, inshallah. So thanks for paying attention. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you so much, all of you. May Allah bless you all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz to all of you.